Folks, we're at Canyon of the Ancients National Monument near Cortez, Colorado. This is one of those BLM, or Bureau of Land Management, national monuments, like Grand Staircase Escalante or Beartooth. Relatively primitive and undeveloped, but scenic. I'm on the Sand Canyon Trail. You can see this is largely dry, or totally dry. There's more of the canyon. There's more of the bottom of the canyon down there. Pan back this way, get a little bit of the canyon edge. Zoom in a little bit more on some formations. Pan up a little bit. And off there we have some monsoon related clouds. And finally, due north, and a bit to the northwest. About a flat 90 degrees or 32 C. 90 or 32 C here on the temperature, and you hear thunder from the monsoon. Let's zoom in a little bit more. About average temperature for this time of year. It's about 4 p.m., which is about average time for the monsoon rains to pop up this time of year. We're still on the Sand Canyon Trail in Canyon of the Ancients National Monument. This is one of several ruins, smaller ones, on this trail. Nothing fancy. I'll start zooming out to look back where I have been on the trail. Down. This is typical juniper or pine juniper forest. Depending on where you're at, there are some pines, pinon pines, mainly juniper. There's the trail itself. For people who are interested, this is a well-signed trail. Cairns and some posts are used where needed, and are not needed very often. Ahead on the trail there's going to be some switchbacks, but so far this is mainly moderate up and downs. And there we look at Sand Canyon Trail, and it's going ahead, but that is back down the canyon itself.